It's Monday, October 30th, and we now have version 76 of Descript. We got a number of really nice changes. Let's talk about it. The first thing is you can now expand the canvas. And this is huge because I do a lot of client editing and I want to get the details right. But sometimes my image of the canvas is so small, I can't see what I'm editing. I can't see the details and I miss things. So this is really important for me. And I can't believe they didn't add it earlier, but I'm glad it's here. And to do it, we just hit Command period on our Mac. And look at that. It makes our canvas full size. And there is a button in the top right to minimize it, to shrink it. There's also this to expand. Again, it's Command dot or Command period. And you just toggle that on and off. If we're in the full screen mode, you can also come down here to the timeline and expand it like that. So you can change the size of it that way. But let's go ahead and close it down. The next thing that has changed has to do with the marker. So you can see here I have a marker called Squadcast Integrations. And what I can do now with this new update is change the position of that by clicking on these dots here and dragging. I can drag anywhere within my project, release, and it is now repositioned. That makes it really handy for reorganizing your project. Now, one thing that Descript brought back, they got rid of this a couple weeks ago, is this jump to marker button in the top right. If you click it, it shows you where all of your markers are in your project. In this one, I only have one. It's that Squadcast integration one. But if I click it, let's say I had a really long project, it would jump to that location in my project, and I could really easily navigate around. The next thing is something that has also been brought back. It was gone for a while, and that has to do with our remove filler words. If we click on this, Descript temporarily got rid of the remove from transcript option. And what this does is it'll remove filler words like you know, like, so. It'll remove it from your transcript, but not from the audio. The advantage of this is if you remove all the filler words from your audio, sometimes you can get jump cuts where if two words are really tightly together, then it sounds clipped when you remove that filler word. So this allows you to keep the audio in its original form, but it cleans up the transcript and gets rid of those filler words. So that's a nice little thing that we now have. That is the remove from transcript option. And then this is the changelog. You can see here all of the bug fixes: fixed an issue preventing auto scrolling on published pages, fixed an issue causing enable speech generation, fixed an issue causing speaker labeling confusion when importing files, fixed an issue in audio only composition, fixed a bug related to toggling room tone on gap clips, fixed even more studio sound related export issues, fixed a bug on Mac OS preventing project version history opening, fixed 2 issues related to transcription alignment, and fix an issue causing incorrect transcript colors. As always, Descript gets better, and it's important to stay up to date with these updates so you can be aware of where buttons are, where things are as they change, and as we get more features week by week. All right, enjoy.